I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After high temperatures, nearly 20 degrees colder than normal in the 40s this afternoon and some breezy north winds, a wintry mix is possible across the western and central areas of Nebraska tonight with the approach of low pressure. Chances increase for multiple bands of light snow tomorrow through early Saturday morning, especially for tomorrow night. Far south central and southeastern Nebraska, along with northern Kansas, may see more of a wintry mix before that change to snow. Most of the snow amounts should range from a dusting to 2 inches. Right along and north of a line from Albion to Broken Bow, North Platte, and Imperial, you can expect 2 to 4 inches, possibly up to 5 inches from Mullen on into north central Nebraska. The weekend is even colder with highs in the upper 20s to the mid 30s. Hard freezes are likely for tonight through Wednesday night with lows in the 20s. Lows in the teens expected for Sunday night through Tuesday night in many areas. Highs recover to the low to mid 40s for Monday before another cold blast of highs in the 30s on Halloween. Upper 40s to the low 60s are back by Wednesday and Thursday. For the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures start out seasonal to slightly cooler than normal the mid to late part of next week. That's before a trend of warmer than normal temperatures next weekend through November 9th. During the very early days of November, central Nebraska daytime highs are typically in the mid to upper 50s, with average overnight lows right around 30. Below normal precipitation is predicted for Nebraska and Kansas the mid to late part of next week, before a trend of near normal precipitation next weekend through November 9th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include heavy rain and snow along with colder temperatures for parts of the U.S. and increasing rain chances in Argentina and central Brazil. Across the northern plains, snow accumulations were widespread across Montana and the northwestern half of North Dakota, with totals in Montana reaching 14 inches in Glasgow and just under 10 inches in Great Falls. Unusually cold conditions expand east of the Rockies. The first half of next week, sub-freezing temperatures should reach as far south as central Texas and the Tennessee Valley, while readings fall below 15 as far south as the Central Plains. The next several days, scattered sub-zero temperatures dot the northern plains. The cold front marking the leading edge of below normal temperatures becomes more active, with 1 to 4 inch rain totals expected from central Texas into the lower Ohio Valley. The rain slows the harvest and field work, but should boost the topsoil moisture and may contribute to rises in critically low water levels in portions of the Mississippi River. Central Brazil, that's been drier, can expect increasing rainfall, improving conditions for planting and early growth of soybeans. After a break from heavy rain in South Brazil, rain returns this weekend and next week, increasing the concerns for wheat quality and harvest, as well as planting of corn and soybeans. Argentina through next week will have more areas of rain, but nothing widespread or heavy that is needed. The increase in rainfall should help with Argentina's remaining filling wheat and germinating corn, as well as increasing the soil moisture for soybean planting that starts next week. Europe expects widespread rain through next week, which favors winter wheat and other grain establishment, but not the remaining harvest. Temperatures remain warmer than normal, especially in Eastern Europe, which keeps the winter grains from growing dormant. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.